Okay, and I just created a G code from the conversational. It's just a face mill path. It's going to use tool 1, G54 offset, 1200 at a feed rate of 20. I got the offsets for the shell mill right there. I'm not going to put a tool in. I'm just using a blank holder right now, but kind of for the purpose of showing it. And then I'll go to main and I can hit cycle start. Okay, that's going to start there. And we'll just watch it go through this. It's moving on the machine. You can see the path right there that it's following in the conversational. I can increase the feed rate to 150%, and then I can also increase the spindle to 150% as well. Now that's 30 inches a minute at 1875 RPM. And then it's reading out here where it's at an offset, following the path. Should finish here shortly. Everything returned.